Students, hope you all are safe. Today we are going to start our next unit, that is the digital documentation. So our digital documentation includes various types of components. So a digital documentation is any electronic media which includes various types of contents that are intended to be used in either an electronic form or either as a printed output. So it includes various components. Let's start with our first component, that is the word processor. Word processing is a technique of creating, editing, saving, printing documents. So, an application software used to perform these tasks is called a word processor. So, every single piece of information is touched by a word processor directly or indirectly. There are various types of features of a word processor like ease and speed, editing features, storage features, formatting, graphic features, printing features, etc. So all these features are a part of a word processor. Now the question arises that how to open a Microsoft Word window. So first of all, you can click on the create but start button. After that, here is an icon, that is the Microsoft Office 2007. So this is the Microsoft Windows. So you have to click on this. It includes various types of components. These are the various parts or components of a Microsoft, like status bar, rural, text area, scroll bars, title bars, control command. In Microsoft there are various types of groups which includes font, paragraph, styles, and last one is the editing. There are also various types of tabs in Microsoft processor like home, insert, page layout, references, mailings, reviews, and next one is the work area. So now the question arises that what is the meaning of a work area? So this is the blank area document. When you can type, edit or format the text, that area is called a work area. Our next term is that what is the meaning of a cursor? So the vertical blinking line in the document window is called a cursor. So this is called a cursor. You can move the cursor in a document by using the cursor control key. So there are the four arrows which includes, these are the four arrows which includes left, right, up, down on the keyboard. So apart from these arrows, there are some other keys on the keyboard that helps you to navigate the document easily. Like if you want to create a new document, then where you have to click. So you can simply click this button. Here comes various types of options: new, open, save. So you have to click on the new button, then blank document, then it creates a new document. Like here I write so this is your text. Like here I want to change the font of the text, so I have simply select it, then with this I can change the font of a size. Now next question arises, like I want to save this text, so I can simply click on this button, then save. Like here I write class 9th, then save button. So this is the way that how we can save a file. Next one is the closing a document. Simply we have to click on this close button, or there is another way that we can click on this icon. Here comes the option close. So here By clicking this option, we can close all our document. This is a way that how we can close a document. Next one is the open a document. Like if I want to open a document that I was already saved, then simply click on this button, then open. Here are the various types of files name. Like here is our file that is the class 9th which we earlier saved. So by clicking this button we can open a document. So there are the various components of a word processor.